Yo, I need to pee. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Harshita. I know I haven't posted in 2 weeks. That's because I wasn't really in a state of mind to post. I did not waste the whole 2 weeks. I worked on a lot of videos and I've planned a lot of things. You'll be seeing that in the near future. And yeah, so I have someone here with me who's helping me film because this video will need someone to make sure everything is recording and stuff because I can't see it. That's because I'll be doing the no mirror makeup challenge, so I can't even look at the screen. Yeah, so I'll basically be doing my makeup without looking at myself in a mirror or a screen, and I swear there's no mirror around. So yeah, let's just hope that I don't go blind or nothing disastrous happens in this video, which I think is most likely to happen. But yeah, let's just hope nothing happens. That being said, let's just get right into today's video. Okay, I'm gonna start off with the toner. This is a new toner that I got it customized for my skin. You'll be seeing that in my haul video. I don't know when is it gonna come up, but yeah, you'll see it very soon. Done with that, and let's just go ahead and prime my face. Let's go into the base. I'm not sure where to look because yeah, I'll just be probably staring at some random objects in my room. Do I even have enough product on? Thank you, Michelle.
So sorry.
Yeah, I think I haven't. Wait, did I put on my forehead? Oh. By the way, I'm using the new PAC foundation brush. It's in the number 231. Why are you staring at me like that, woman? I don't trust myself, so I'm gonna take a beauty blender and blend it again. Okay, now I'm just blending for a really long time. Stop me. Stop. Am I okay? Can I move on? She's not answering, I swear. She's just sitting there like one dumb person. So don't worry about that. Now. Okay, wait. I might go blind. Is this the bridge of my nose? Okay. Why do I feel like I have way too much concealer? Did I put concealer on my forehead? Why do I forget where I put product? Like, why? Okay. Let's just set my face. Let's just set my foundation. And the concealer, of course. Next, what do we do? I'm forgetting what to do next. I'm gonna contour and do the blush later, so let's just get into the eye makeup. Okay, this should be funny. There is a mirror here, I'm not gonna be looking at it, so yeah. Just gonna take a light brown and put on my crease, which I don't know where it is. Where? Ah. Shoot. This is hard. This is actually hard. Okay. I'm just gonna take a darker brown and put it on the outer corner, which is here. So I'm gonna blend that in. Is that enough? Okay. Now it's getting creepy. Why are you staring at me?
I'm looking at how you're doing
I myself don't know what I'm doing. What do you do?
Well, I can see and you can't. So.
Oh, yeah, thank you for rubbing it in my face again. And for some reason, I think I should throw some glitter on to make it a little decent. So I'm just gonna use my hand. I'm putting my inner corner, which I'm guessing it's here. And on this eye. Okay, now comes the scary part. Do I really have to do my eyeliner?
Yes. I'll do it. I know it's challenging, but that's the fun part, right?
Sure. When I go blind, it will be really funny. And I'm choosing a liquid liner because that's all I have. I'm scared. Where is my eye? Here? Oh, here you go. Shit. I think I got it somewhere on my lid, but I mean, yeah. Wait, I think I got it. Shit. This is bad. I hope I get at least the left eye right, Mama. Yeah, I think I'm good. I feel like this is better than this one, of course, because, yeah, mascara time. This can be tricky too. Even when I'm looking at the mirror, I'll get it all over my face. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Oh wait, I forgot to do my brows. Okay, let's do it now. This is my brows. Goes up, arch. Why don't I feel the hair? Like, why? Okay, we're almost done. Okay, I think I'm done with my brows. Let's do some contour. What I'm supposed to do? Okay, maybe I should have skipped this part. I just feel like I'm painting my face right now. Do I look like Kendall with the perfect jawline, Michelle? Okay, I think I have the perfect jawline. But yeah. Why are you laughing? Do I look that bad? For this, what am I supposed to... Telling you I'm forgetting how to do makeup. Do I look like Chutki from Chota Bheem now? Not yet. Chutki. Wait, that's Jungkook. Chutki only. But yeah. What else am I supposed to do? Lipstick. Lipstick. Let's go ahead and put some lipstick. I said that like a million times, so yeah. Okay. We literally just had a debate about something. I don't know if it's gonna go on camera or no. Because she says if it does, I'll be sued. So yeah, let's see. Okay. I'm done. Moment of truth. Let's do it. My assistant, mirror please. What is that? What is that? Where is the liner over here? Okay, don't look like Chutki. My eye makeup is not bad. Ignore this part, but hey, not bad. My makeup is kinda nice. other than the eyeliner. Oh, my lipstick all over the place. If I were to go blind, I could still be a makeup artist. Touch wood. But yeah, where is it over here? I mean, this is how Cookie puts her liner, like even till date. That's my best friend. Cookita, inspired by you. Right before we started like recording the outro, she had to fight with me for not calling her my best friend in the beginning of the video. So yeah, that is my best friend sitting there. You wanna come say hi?
No.
I'll bring her in some other video. We are planning on that. So yeah. For now, just look at this ugly, disastrous face. So that is it, guys. I did make a fool out of myself. I hope you guys laughed your asses off. But shit, I shouldn't be saying asses. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and share, and do rate me on a scale of 1 to 10 in the comment section down below on what do you think about this makeup or whatever you call that. So yeah, I'd like to see it. Take it a little easy on me because I tried, guys. Like I at least tried. Okay, I got the base kinda right, and I got the eye makeup kinda right. So yeah, take it easy on me, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.